Welcome to Palooza 2023 out at Little Sahara, Utah. Palooza is an RC event that we drive RC cars out at the sand dunes, do jumps and short course races and drag races, and just have a good time.
When I'm running, I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. It's some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Like 3 feet away from my camera.
Yeah, you want to come up. Right here.
Right there, yeah.
Boom. Maybe if I change my drive.
I'm so gone, no, I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate, I attack.
How you do?
So the record still holds at 111 off this view, but today's record is 98. 111. Ricky did it last year with 111 with the Creighton last year, right?
Yeah, I did. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's video back in Palooza for 2023. It was freaking sweet. Sadly, I haven't made it since, but I finally edited this video, so I think it turned out freaking fantastic. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.